Here we go.
Dismounted here.
Okay.
Red pink.
May
Yo.
Kaumlan sila.
Yo, first food only. First food only. First food. Ano sila? Careful, Abdul.
Yung binomba nila.
Ang ganong pwesto nila. Dito nga kayo, bandang northwest. Uy, huwag kayo pupunta dyan. Narrow yan, uy. Pag kayo nabomba dyan, sabihin nyo, alibomba. Ano sila? Far south?
Moving
Ano ba
northeast,
to?
northeast.
Okay.
East now,
Keeping
east.
nga. Careful. Nice cleanse. Careful. Ready. Hit the
Holding
gate.
east side.
Careful. Careful. Just chilling. Come back na. Come back now. Ready. Careful.
Kitang
Just
no
get
need to go
ready.
out, ah.
Yo, stuck on me. Careful. Don't need to fucking go out. Don't get curious. You might die from the bomb squad. Yan na nga.
They have
Yo.
rift glaive bomb.
Yeah. Mga naka-invis rev.
I'm gonna fall in.
Wala na sa English. Ay,
Careful of this wedge, guys.
Careful.
Where Rinzek is spamming.
Cleanse that Kamlan, guys. Pag tumayo kayo ng tumayo dito, makakamlan talaga tayo, guys. I'm telling you.
Kitangs no need to peek, bro.
You ready over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 over the northeast now. Try to catch. Never mind. Come back na. Stabilize na.
Inching, ah.
Okay, ready guard runes sa front, guys. Guard runes. Mga tayo. Stuck nga yung sa akin. This is the fucking safety net. Again, if they can't bash, they cannot go in. Okay? Careful. Nice hit from the bomb squad. You ready, ah? Ready. Hit the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Okay, almost. Come back. Hindi siya bumalik agad. Magaling. Siyang magaling.
You're southwest.
Yo, careful southwest.
Bam.
Careful southwest, guys. Careful-issim.
Effective nga yung ano.
Naan si Madis?
Madis Clear, naka one hand.
Di ba?
Arcane.
Oo nga, hindi. Nahanap ko lang. Uy, overextended. You ready? Hit the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt na. Hit the gate na. Headbutt. Nice hit. Come back na.
Ready, defensive sa bomb.
Come back na.
Ini-info, asan yung bombs ko direct, no?
Nasa northeast yung bomba.
Okay. One hand. Watch nyo dun. One hand. Watch northeast.
Nasa southeast na yung bomba.
Okay, oh. Sumunod kayo sa comms ni Calvin.
Ayaw mo stacking, ah.
Saan siya? Okay, markado na si J-Pang, ha. Yo, careful. Over the wall notice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Just hit the gate. Hit the gate. Kill this guy. Almost. Come back now. Full depth now. Depth.
Bomb squad northeast side, ah.
Nice depth now. Just hold. We have time. Play it slow.
They're kiting east.
Being chilling. Just chill.
I think they're trying to pick me up. Bomb squad nasa northeast side, ingat. Trying to look for the bomb squad, lost it now.
Napin nyo nga. Nice hit, oh. Yo, ready, Dev. Yo, southeast now, shallow in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast now, shallow. Southeast shallow.
Bam, bam,
Nice,
bam,
yun, boys.
bam,
Dev.
Bam, bam,
Me,
bam, bam.
Bomb squad from
Nice,
northeast.
nice, nice,
They're
nice.
hitting now. They're hitting now. Careful,
Dev.
careful.
Nice kill, nice hila.
Puta na, let me in.
Yo, bomb squad is northeast side.
Sino yun? Sino umila nun?
Bomb squad is
Ako.
northeast side.
Hindi ko makapasok.
They're
Very
they're
good
stocking.
na.
They're stocking.
You're ready,
Careful.
ready. Shallow the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the jug. 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 Come back na. Come back na. come back na.
Baka hindi ka makapasok dyan, Lip ah. Pag
I
masaya.
love-
Okay na, okay na.
You're ready. Full engage only ah. Party
I
1,
lost
party
bomb
2 on
squad.
main engage. Okay, party 1, party 2 on main
Bomb
engage.
squad southwest,
Huwag ko na
southwest, southwest,
makalimutan.
southwest.
Careful, careful, careful. Okay. Again, full send first. Okay. Mamaya ko na himayin.
Pre-dealer.
Full send.
Bam, bam,
Dev. Don't die from that shit.
They have 2 bomb squads.
Okay, ready. Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate na. Full depth now. Full depth now. Shallow the gate na. Full depth now. Nice hit, boys. Nice hit, boys. Ilan na lang DA nila? Pa-check ako.
They're moving. east.
Kamus.
27. 27. Pil sarap.
Okay. Pwede kang lakaran to ah. Maya. Konting hit pa. Tell me, Freddy ah.
Bomb squad is stocking, ah. Bomb squad
You're
is
careful,
stocking.
careful.
Northeast and northwest. They have 2 bomb squads.
Come back na. Be ready ah. Yo. Overdown notice in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Overdown notice now. Catch. Try to cast them. Never mind. Almost. Come back now.
They're hitting.
Stabilize. Depo front. Don't go out. Stuck on me. Play slow. No need to rush. Pitas lang.
Don't go deep.
Nasa southeast na yung Kuan Bomb Squad. Which work?
Gay.
Southeast.
Yung ref blade is nasa east side.
Gay. Stuck on me.
Bintu,
In fairness, di ako naglalag ah.
Yo, they're lurking around northeast side now.
Para
Lurking
siyang in
around
fairness,
northeast side
di ako naglalag.
Nice.
Northeast daw ah.
now. Northeast
Or
na sila.
hindi pa
Northeast na
masyado
sila.
malaki kalaban.
One shot sa south. Noy.
24 na lang sila, oh.
Na nga sa labas.
Nakamarka si J-Pang ah. We headbutt oh. I get ready. We headbutt.
Balik sila sa east.
Bumabalik.
Inching,
bumabalik.
Careful. Ano
Inching
yung bomb
bomb
squad?
squad. Inching.
Saan? Sa may south?
They're engaging from the east.
Yo, dev. Careful, we watch the bomb squad. Yo, ready. Shallow the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Kill this guy.
Nice.
Nice kill. Come back now. Dev. Front. Guard runes. Cycle guard runes, guys. Cycle Judy's. Okay. We play it slow. We play it calmly. We
Guard
play
runes,
it diligent.
May nakikita pa kayo na sa labas guys.
Going northeast sila. Northeast.
No need to rush. Okay. Okay, look. Watch north now.
Some of them out.
Yeah, watch north now. Okay?
They're
Watch
moving
north.
northeast.
Stack.
They're moving northeast. They're mounting up.
Careful. Yo.
They're
They baiting.
positioning-
Just they baiting.
Baiting.
They baiting. Come southwest now. They baiting, guys. Come southwest. No need to kick that gate, guys. They're baiting us because we are many and they want to fucking open world us. Okay? Just chill. Just being chilling here. Careful. Ready. Over the wall. Northwest. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall now.
Bomb
Head.
squad is
Come back
stocking.
na.
Bomb squad is
Come
stocking.
back na.
Nasa
Hug the wall na.
pinakalikod,
Hug the wall pass.
Careful.
Yo, you ready? Depth front. Careful.
Bomb squad will be hitting from northeast.
Yeah.
from northeast side.
Careful links. Just chill on the wall, guys. Let them bash.
Guys, di nyo kailangan lumabas ah.
Chill on the wall, let them bash.
Gamit na ba yung
Nasaan yung bomb squad?
Nasa northeast side yun last.
North,
Okay, I have to go.
Pahanap nga ako ng bomb squad.
I have to leave them.
Gagi, winawan
Ano ba
shot si
yun?
Lebron.
Guys,
Clearing ako.
Bomb squad.
Careful.
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 Yung Camland, far northeast din.
You ready? Over the northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this one guy. Nice kill. Come back na.
They're hitting. Careful.
Come back. Wala pa.
Ready.
Chill. Chillings.
Bomb squad nasa
Now they looking.
Inching.
Careful.
east side yung bomb squad.
Ge. Huwag kayo magpo-funnel dyan. Hit yung bomb squad dyan. Promise.
Direct east yung
Cross
bomb
my
squad.
heart.
Sa may babayan hihit. Ingat lang.
Careful ha, they might look. Ito na. Dev. Yeah, over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch. Catch this one guy. Kill the guy. I'm just begging you, my boys.
The one north is gonna
Tumatayo lang ako dito eh.
50%.
Yeah, careful. Try to repair that wall, guys. Try to repair that wall if you can. Def on the gate.
Nag-in
Jade.
Def on the gate now. Def on the gate, okay? Def on the gate. Careful. Okay? Ready.
Broken.
Careful. Lag the wall. Come southeast, guys. Come southeast. Okay, we chill. Come north now.
They're bashing the other side.
Come north now. Nabasag na to, no? Come north. Ready. Over the wall northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Hit. Then come back pass.
Squad nasa northwest side. Direct north. They will be...
Yeah. Come southeast now.
Upper side.
On me.
Careful.
On me.
Bakit ka nihinit ang Castle Black Lebron?
Castle Block ba?
Oh,
Bomb
Careful.
squad
Away
nasa
from the
still
wall.
northwest side.
Okay,
They're gonna
be
hit.
on my
They will
south,
be
be on my
hitting
south, be on
on
my
where
south.
I'm spamming.
Ready. Careful.
Around there.
Yo, ready. Careful. Bomb squad might hit.
Maangat na onte si Mizuhara. Bomb squad.
Yo, careful. Bomb squad, nakikita ko na. Bomb squad ba to? Hindi. You're over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Kamak na. Def on the front. Def on the front. Come south. Just chill. Don't
Go
OC.
sila sila.
Just
Still
chill, don't
northwest
OC.
side.
Just
Still
chill, don't
northwest
OC.
side.
Just
They're
chill,
moving
don't
south.
OC. Minamarkahan ko lahat ng engage tanks na pwede kong mamarkahan. Again, they can engage on jug, so try to cleanse the jug stacks, okay?
Silence paddle lang, guys.
Careful. Keep hugging the wall. Don't get curious, guys. Don't overextend.
Nalilikon
clear the guards.
sila ng one shot. May one shot sa likod nila.
Isang mabilis
Yung bomb
kaya
squad,
tayo
yung
dito. Yo, careful.
Ay, engaging.
You're ready, over. Yo, northeast, deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, by the tree now, then go back fast now. Def now. Def. Nice soak. Kill this guy, try to kidnap this guy. If you can, try to kidnap that guy.
You're careful.
Kamak na.
Bomb squad nila nasa
Southeast.
Okay.
Nag-invinan.
Yo, come deep south.
Stop po yung bomb squad.
Yo, run na. Hello? Move.
Stop po.
Sinabi ng south is
Stop
tatakbo na kayo ng opposite, di ba? Is so basic, right?
Grouping yung bomb squad north na.
Okay, just hug here, okay? One on the arcane, watch the bomb squad, then watch the Zerg. Ang dami natin wanan, di ba? Isa lang bomb squad nakikita nyo, so dapat salit-salit yan, lahat ng hit nila na-stop. Headbutting ka pa, careful. Cleanse the jug stacks. You ready? Deep northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall now. Hit by the wall.
You're careful.
Ready?
Bomb
Def
squad
now.
hitting from northeast side.
Hindi mo na armor yung BS nila.
Def
Yung
comes
iba?
out.
Two down.
Nice. Ilan na lang din nila? Hindi pa pwede.
RDA 28, Zoro.
Yeah. Confident ako pero baka biglang magkanda
Yeah, they-
delay.
Engaging.
You ready? Deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Deep northeast on me. Dead, come na. Come. Try to kidnap this guy. Nice. Hit. Come back na. Away from the choke. Again, cleanse sa front. Cleanse sa front. Careful. Bomb squad might hit. Yeah, ready. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bomb squad nasa southeast side.
Over the wall northeast. Kill this two. Nice kill. Come back now. Again, party 1 and party 2 full send only first, okay?
They're hitting.
Yeah, careful. Yo, cleanse to the choke. Stop that shit.
Bomb squad nasa southwest southeast side.
They still might hit. Yeah, ready. Shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3. On this D-tanks now. Shallow northeast now. Okay, wala ako nahuli doon. Kamak na. Nag-hit na yung bomb squad. Careful. Nag-hit na yung bomb squad. Okay, mga 10
Bomb
seconds.
squad dropping around to the northeast side.
Yeah, they don't have engage yet.
Meron silang
Space,
drop.
Come south.
Give them space.
Comes out. So 8 seconds meron na. Come shot, come shot, come shot. Eto, tono na clerical. Isa das na. Easy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill the shit. Kamak na. Yo, ready. They might look. Hug the wall again. Hug the wall again, guys. Guys, hug the wall again. Careful. Hug the wall. Hug the wall again, guys. Don't give them opportunity to hit. Oh my god. Ready. Over the wall northeast na. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito sa nagda-night armor na to. Patayin nyo to. Kill this guy. Oh my god. Come back na. Hug the wall southwest.
Repair the wall.
Maganda may eagle dito tayo.
Yeah, they're hitting from bomb squad.
Kamak na. Guys, don't let them hit the front, guys. Pwede pa kayong malis dyan. Safe yung Zerg natin. D-tanks, you don't need to overextend there.
Nag-OC na sila.
Gigi, hayaan sila mag-OC. Maya tayong 30, guys. Hold out tayo. Careful. Ready, look at the gate shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast now. Hit. Nice hit. Almost. Oh my god, nabuwal. Come back na. Maya tayo mag-OC, guys. 9 minutes we hold. 9 minutes we hold.
Wala sila sa southeast side, so they might be northwest.
Lugi na
Southeast
sa
ng
OC
door nanggagaling yung
OC timer yan, ha?
BS.
Yeah. Lugi na sa OC timer yan. Again,
Looking,
lugi na sa OC timer. Careful. Ready, look shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow northeast na. Careful, bomb squad ng southeast. Depth nyo dyan. Hug the wall na.
Repair the wall, guys. Mga ditang sa repair the wall.
Again, puro full send muna tayo. Puro full send. Depo front. Oh my god. Sayang. Nilabas ko agad. Come back na. Nag-pick
Yung bomb
lang
squad
ako.
nasa north
Come back na.
side.
Ready.
Direct ng gate.
Chill. Sino pinapatay nila dyan? Chill.
Bomb squad wrapping around
Chill. Ready. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this D-tanks. Kill this D-tanks. Kill this two. Nice kill. Come back na. Come back now. Nice pickups.
Naka-NB ka ba, Vincent?
Careful. Hug the wall, guys.
Nandito yung rip glaive sa on my ping.
Hug the wall.
Oh,
Hug the wall now. Pag nag-engage tong marine zerg nila. Pawatch nga pag nag-mage. Ilalabas ko to. Pawatch ng bomb squad, ah.
yeah. I have
Bomb hitting.
Kaya ko ba?
No.
Careful.
Nag-hit ng north.
Yung rift
Gigi.
bomb, dalawa ba yung rift bomb squad nila?
Hindi. Isa lang yan.
Dalawa.
Meron
Which
dalawa na?
Glaive.
Meron
Bago
dito
na.
sa akin. Red pink.
Dalawa yan. Short
Gigi.
Glaive, Invis.
Nagbago na pala.
Huwag masyado.
They're stacking.
Careful. Ito kung ilabas to, tapos mag-deep northeast, then go back. Careful.
Nawala sila.
J-Pang, bomb squad now. Bomb
Nawala
squad
sila,
hitting,
nawala
bomb squad hitting. Careful, don't go out yet. Careful. Ready, shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Hit this guy. Kill this guy. Come back na. Come back now. They looking.
Napipick off yung nasa gawas to.
Guys, depth now. Depth. Di tayo pwede lumabas. Bomb squad might hit. Guys,
Yo, yung nasa labas.
just hug the wall southwest, guys. No need for you to get curious.
Umikot yung bomb squad, ah.
Nasa northeast side yung bomb squad. Right side ng third.
Umiikot sila.
Sige, saan?
Dito sa...
One hand din natin pati.
Hindi, nahabol lang nila yung mga
south,
one shot sa
north,
sa
ano?
S. Sa
Tumitingin
southeast
sa'yo, ano, ah.
You ready? Over the wall northeast sa may jog in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast na. Hit. Come back na. Ready. Nice
bomb
stop.
squad hitting.
Come back southwest.
Careful.
Guys, don't let them give... Huwag nyo sila bigyan ng
Nag-stop.
ng opening. Ayan na, hit. You ready? Over the wall northeast again in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then full depth now. You full depth now. Headbutt this shit.
Yo, bomb squad now. Careful. Bomb squad
Kakahit
from
lang ng bomb
northeast.
nila.
Hindi, engage yun.
Naka-engage na yung bomb squad.
Kaka-engage lang.
Dalawa ata yung RG nila, boss.
Isa lang yan eh.
Hindi, dalawa. Nakita ko.
Dalawa yan,
Galing-
pero same
nag-regear
yung
ako.
sinastock nila. Nag-stock
Di
nila at the
bali
same place.
isang ano lang yun.
Tubo.
Hindi naman
Ay,
sila
bro,
nag-iwalay ng bomb squad night.
Deep.
Kasi kanina pa dalawang engages lang nakikita ako, guys. Hindi naman nagtatlo, di ba?
Dalawang bomb squad sila, so.
Kaya nga, pero dalawang bomb squad na
Pinapatay na si may
nagsasabay.
OP, bro, ah. Sinabihan ko na yan.
Yun yung sinabi ko. Nag-dip siya, eh. Kidnap na.
Ayan
Bomb
sila.
squad
Ayan
inside
sila.
3.
Looking.
Yeah,
They
ready.
bomb. They may bomb.
Careful. 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 Ready. Shallow north.
Yo, bomb squad is
4, 3,
infing now.
shallow.
Another bomb squad. Another bomb
Full depth now.
squad.
Full depth now. Come back. 5 minutes more. OC na tayo. Ready your food, Sai. Hug the wall south.
Ano, nag-hit ulit yung bomb
See
squad.
you dead.
Dalawa tagay.
Oo.
Mamamatay sila doon.
Ano yung bumaba sa kanila?
Sabi sa inyo, kayo
Namatay
lalabas.
si Alamat. Guys, magagdawol lang kayo, guys. Ba't kayo napapatay ng bomb squad? Anong problema?
Itong spot na to, lagi sila namamatay dito. Paulit-ulit na. Stay away from that.
Guys, just
Guys,
hug
if
the
you
wall.
see dead body, don't go there.
Hug the wall, guys. Hug the wall.
Ayun na, engaging na
Yo,
ulit.
Def. Ready, look at the gate. Shallow the gate in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow the gate now. Kill this one, ditang. Yo, ready. Come back pass. Come back pass. Yo, come south. Yo, stop. Come southeast. Basag na.
Nag-going north.
Click the gate now. Let them in.
They're inching.
Come southeast nga muna. 4 minutes we OC.
Sa kanila din, Bert.
Again, 4 minutes we OC. Careful.
Mas tighter yung chokes dito, kay careful.
Careful. Mas madali rin silang ulihin pag ganyan. Come. Careful.
Oh, nandito na
Over
sa
the
Raiden
walls.
Shogun ah. Malicious ko.
Careful. 3 minutes we OC, okay? Careful. Pasabi, baka may bomb na ulit, ha? Diyos ko po. You ready? Hit the jug. North. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, bomb
Straight north
hitting
now.
from northwest side. Bomb hitting
Straight
from
north now.
northwest side.
Okay. Ready. Come back na.
Nag-hit.
Mga nasa labas, init nila.
Come back. Sige. Ayan sila mag-hit sa labas. 37 minutes natin in-hold yung first gate, guys. Kaya natin sila hold ulit dito ng 27 minutes. Dapat. With mages and all. Careful, guys. Mas mahirap tingnan to. Kala nyo lang over the wall, pero high ground, pero hirap tingnan ng north dito, guys. Don't get curious. Hanapin nyo ako. Stack on me. Yo, na yung bomb squad. Careful.
Isa pa. Sa north.
Careful. Get ready. Over the wall northeast nga. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Come back na. Again, we full send always, okay? We full send always. Hindi natin kailangan. Pawatch ako ng bomb squad. Naka-ready cleric ko, naka-ready yung ano ko. Yo, one hand watch na. Naglo-look na. Nice hit bomb squad. Oh my god, nice hit. Ready. Over the wall northeast now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. Nice hit bomb squad. Come back. Nice hit. BS. Come back, guys. Come back, huy.
Hinching sila.
Come back.
Flip glaive stopping ha.
Yo. Come back. Dev. Ready. Over the wall northeast now. Wait. Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this D-tank now. Kill. Almost. Sayang. Sabay. 1 minute NBOC. Okay? Just chill.
Food is
Just
6
chill.
minutes.
Yeah. Hug the tower. Give them space. Hirap
Gusto
na
mo
yan,
huliin
guys.
ko yung bomb squad nila, Zoro. Tapos engage mo.
Nahuli ko
Anong-
kanina.
ano ba?
Hindi ko na
Yung
na-record.
rip glaives nila, sobrang dumidikit sa wall.
Gigi. Pwede.
Sabihan kita. I-soldier helmet ko na lang. Tapos engage mo.
Careful, ah.
Okay,
Baka
yan, rip glaive.
Yan. You ready? Over the wall northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Over the wall northeast. Hit the jug. Yo, careful. Def now. Come back na.
Zoro,
Careful.
game
1
time.
minute.
You can OC.
We OC. Okay, wait. Just chill. Kailangan natin ng allowance.
Hitting sa likod yung rip clave. Oh, wala.
Nakahit ba sila?
Hit na sila.
Ang tip ko
Hindi,
na
nakapatay ba? Ano
Pero
ba?
wala.
Careful. Give them space, guys. 31 we OC, okay? Careful. Ilan minutes OC nila? 20.
24? 25.
Okay. Just chill. You ready?
20
Over the wall
minutes
northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Over the wall northeast now. Yo, they stacking, dep now.
Ito,
Dep.
replay hitting, replay hitting.
Ito na ano.
Come back na.
Ito, mahit ng bomb squad natin.
Guys, come
Yun,
back.
ubos!
Libs nila.
Go!
Nice it. You ready? Just chill, guys. Just chill. 31 OC. Just chill. Let them rigger. Yo, careful. You ready? Hit the gate northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate northwest now. Hit the gate northwest now. Kill that guy. Never mind. Kamak na. Okay, we killed one. You ready? OC now. 4 minutes, mag-food tayo Just chill. Careful. Pawatch ng ano. Kitang-kita pag may nag-miss walker rin na yun.
Bawas na yung ano nila.
You ready?
Pa yan.
Over the wall north now, straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, over the wall, straight north. Come back na.
Yo, why are you guys there? Tatlo yung namatay na D-tank natin nasa loob nila.
Pinapatay ko si Jason.
Come back na, refitting. Guys, keep them space, guys.
Yung northwest mo, another...
Si Jason.
You ready? Over the wall north in 5, on the gate na 3, 2, 1, hit the gate na. Hit the gate na, come back na. Away from the gate. Ilang percent yung gate?
They're going northeast.
Sige.
Ano to?
Hug the tower.
Magpupul.
Ilang percent yung gate? Just chill. Last hit, then we food. You ready? Over straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Straight north na. Dep on southeast. Tingnan nyo yan. Kayo mapapatay niyan, promise. Come. Ilan din nila? Pouch nga.
Sarap.
The 827.
Hindi sila nakaka-push, guys. Hindi rin ako natuto na hindi sila nakaka-push. Kayo yung binabanatan dyan.
Oh shit.
33. Yo, careful. You ready on the gate now? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the gate now. Just hit the gate. Kill that fucking execute this guy, Oh my god. Careful. Come back.
Hit ng bomb squad ulit.
Nice hit.
Nice.
You ready? Careful. Let them hit. Let them farm. Okay, food check now.
Hindi na crystal yung
Hit the gate now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dep now. Pull that now. Headbutt. Everyone go out. Click the gate now. Five roll. Proper patch. Five roll. Go out then roll.
Hard luck yung bomb squad nila.
Di
Ba't
ba
ka makalabas?
Open nyo yung gate.
Never mind.
Yung gear.
Kamak na.
Wala nang crystal yan, hindi kayo makakalabas.
Sayang. Putang ina.
Ayun nga, over the wall.
Ay my god.
Si Vinzork hindi makapasok. Pabukas ang gate.
My god.
Open nyo na lang. We're good.
My God. Ready. Straight. Wait. Straight north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 mana. Straight north na. On me. Hit. Almost. Come back pass.
Bukas na yung gate.
Glib hitting.
Come back pass, guys. Come southeast na.
Countering yung bomb squad natin.
Good hit yung bomb squad.
Nice hit ba? Come south.
Good hit
Yeah.
yung bomb squad.
Yo, careful.
Engage na sila.
Yo, walk now.
Big
Full walking. Ready. Ngayon ko hatiin. Party 2, look shallow isadas now. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1, deep northeast now in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast now. Hit deep northeast. Come back na. Come back pass. Stabilize, bro, inside you. Ready. Bomb squad may hit. Careful.
Nag-invi na yung rip glibs.
Bomb squad is northeast side.
Ready. Clerics. Yo,
Easy.
You're ready. Everyone, straight north is in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sallowing Sadas now. Everyone, sallowing Sadas. Kill this guys. Sadas now. Come back now. Almost died. J-Pang almost died. Come back now, tower. Okay, never
They're
mind.
looking
now.
careful.
Yo, come back. Hold the first gate. Yo, bro inside you.
Yo, they're looking.
Yo, bounce looking. Careful. Spread southwest. Come southwest. Yo, walk now. Ready, straight north now. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now, straight north. Deep straight north. They come back now. Cleanses up front. Come back now, cleanses up front. Come back, bro inside you. There's bro.
They're looking.
Bro, Bro inside you southwest. Yo, full deck now. Just hold you east. Ready, everything side us now, north. In 5, northwest in 4, 3, 2, 1, everything side us now. Then pull the pass now. Hit. Headbutt. Nice headbutt. Everyone got. Bro na.
Yung mga
Everyone got. Bro na. Pawatch ako nung ano. What? Push. Just push. Keep pushing.
Nag-engage lang yung bomb squad nila sa mga overextended.
Pushing. Ready.
No one
Straight
died
northeast now. Deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow inside us now. Northeast. Hit. They come back fast.
Yo, careful.
Come back fast, guys. Come back fast.
Keep ko.
Come fast.
SGA.
Ang dami namatay dun.
Kalaban
yan.
Nag-hit off screen from the west side.
Come south.
Hindi ko nakikita din.
Come southwest.
Nabura ng ano.
Where they going?
They're still
outside.
surrounding the
Nordic,
turret.
Nordic.
Chill.
They're regrouping, waiting for
Yeah.
gears.
You're ready. Nakikita niyo sa stairs west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit this rat.
Yo, bomb squad hitting.
Yeah, kill this rats. Come southwest now. Come southwest. Give them space again. Come.
Sino may give pads pengi?
bomb squad.
Come.
Sino may give pads pengi?
Trade mo ako sa tower.
Nakatch yung bomb squad natin.
Nakatch na? Walk
Oo,
north.
namatay yung bomb squad natin.
Walk east.
They died. I mean, 5 died.
Yeah, ready. Look at the joke northeast now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dev now. Headbutt. Come back na. Bomb squad may hit.
Thank you.
Ang risky naman ginagawa nila doon.
Kanina
pa sila nagta-take
risk.
Guys. Come.
Yo, go back
Bro.
now. Those overextended.
Come tower. Give them
ACM
space. Come tower, give them space.
Dagang ACM.
Come tower, give them space.
Ang hit yung reclip. Wala, no damage.
Come tower, give them space. Again, give them space, guys. Give them space.
Yeah, you're inching the inching. Careful.
Pero may kailangan ng food.
Careful yung mga
They bombing.
Yeah, careful. Just careful. Ready. Hold. Ready. Hit the jug in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the two jugs. Then come back na. Come tower. Watch my northwest.
Yeah, they're looking from your northwest side.
Yo, watch my northwest. Again, watch my northwest. Def on the northwest. Just chill. Def on the northwest.
They can engage anytime.
Careful. Ready to headbutt, okay? Ready to headbutt, northwest, okay? Yo, dev. You're ready. Over northwest now, deep in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep northwest on me. Hit. Come back na. I almost died pa ako there. Yo, come. Dev, pull dev pa front. Yo, walking now.
Nasa minor ulit.
Walking, Spread southwest. Ready your pots. Spread southwest. Ready, inside us now. Wait, hold on. Look shallow northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside us now. Hit. Nice hit now. Spread now. Come southeast. Pull that now.
They're looking.
Guys, dev. Pull that now. Come tower. Just chill. Don't have clerics. You ready? Yo. On the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke now.
Nice.
Nice hit. Come back fast. Hug the tower. Kidnapin nyo na to. Kidnap this guy. Kill this guy. Careful, they're looking. Ready, dep now. Pull dep. Okay, walking now. Ready, patch. Walking. Try to hold them. Everything in the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit the choke now. Walking now. Okay, careful. Careful. Spread. Walking now. Walking.
Nabang
Walking, bro. Walk. Try to cast them. North. Poppy boots now.
Luther tong crush $1 na. Huwag niyo tong
Try
patakasay.
to hold them. Brothers.
Yung crush $1.
Kill this guy. Ready. Kill this golem ha. After neto.
Nagmamount up na sila.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this guy.
Kasi ito
Patay
yung
ito. Uy.
May grip. Patayin nyo to. Yung triples.
Hello. Oh my God. Diyos ko po, di na mga natingin. Pag ako nakatch ng one shot doon dahil di kayo sumusunod.
Contact na
Yo, kill this bedrock. Ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this bedrock.
They're running.
Yeah, come
Running
south.
na.
Try to cast them. Where they at? Come north. Mount up. Look for lows, look for Daga. Look for daga.